All right, Rumaldo is completing his break from yesterday. Hit Parade Graded Comic 21 Celeb Sig Edition, Series 1, 79 out of 100. But first, Friday, I'm sorry, not yesterday, Friday. He's got Hit Parade Mystery Box 21 Pop Culture Edition, Series 2, 9 out of 50. Listen, they're all the same to me. Yesterday, Friday, 2007, it's all the same. You get enough concussions, it all bleeds together. No pun intended. It's Dorbs, Tokyo Ghoul, Ken Kaneki. Limited to only 3,000 glow pieces. Sure am, Joe Mama. Mad Lids. TMNT Keychain. Hero Clicks. Kick-Ass 2. That is awesome. Colonel Stars and Stripes. That is pretty dope. So, as somebody who used to play, you can actually detach the dog, and the dog becomes its own separate piece. Pretty dope. Little item right there. Diego from the Umbrella Academy. Donald Duck from Halloween Town, Kingdom Farts. What up, po' boy? James, this is the Pop Culture Edition. And finally, the late great Iron Man. Series 1, Marvel Legend. There you go. I knew it fit in here somehow. It's a bounty. Marvel Ant-Man and the Wasp Prelude #1, signed by the Paul Rudd. 9.6 from 18. Bounty, bounty, bounty. bounty. And you are in the running for the Babe Ruth auto. Make sure you send it in before the 26th. Your bounty is multifaceted. First of all, it is a comic mini. Don't eat the candy. It's a comic mini. Lockjaw and the Pet Avengers, including Frog Thor. Yes, there is such a thing as Frog Thor. Go look it up. And Youngblood #1 from Image Comics. There you go.